Today is the day that Infinity gets heart surgery for the first time. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Rube Smooth in the building. So I ordered all my tires. 2 of them came in. I'm waiting for the other 2, and then we could get those mounted on the whip and finally see that come to life. So for today's video, I'm gonna just get right to it. We got some Stillen intakes for the G. I waited so long for these intakes to come in, bro. It's kind of ridiculous. All I'm gonna say is, I don't want to throw no shade at any company, but the company starts with an O. If you guys know, that's it. Now that's all I'm gonna say. You know, it's crazy, bro. Worst customer service ever. I'm all about cosmetics, you know, just the looks of the car. I'm not really into all that fast stuff, you know, because I don't know. But today, look at this. You look at the outside of the car. Everything, interior modded, everything's modded, and then you come here, completely stock. I haven't done anything to this engine bay. Anything, like nothing at all. But today, we're gonna change that. So, I have those intakes, and I actually bought an engine cover, a carbon fiber engine cover. It's in the back of the car. I got it like last week. I just haven't showed it to you guys yet. I'll show it to you later, but for now, let me just take off the bumper. Just like that, the bumper's off. So I know for a fact I have to trim this right here, this opening. That way the tubes fit in here. But let me just get right to it, because I don't know what I'm doing. So briefly, let's just open up this box. We'll see if we got the right parts. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't. Here we got the filters. 2 filters. Here we got all the couplings and all this other stuff. Oh, I think I might just rock this, bro. I might have to. I don't got nothing in the back right now. All the tubes. We got the rest of the tubes in here. Voila. So I won't be needing this because I got the carbon fiber one. But now that I got more space, I already took off one of the sensors. And just start putting shit off. So for this part, if you guys are doing this, down there, it might feel like there's a screw in the bottom, but it's just like, you just really gotta tug it. So to take off the filter cabin, you just gotta take off the screw that was here, and then basically just pull it up. So I got this side, I gotta take off this side. I have to, with a Dremel, basically make this bigger, this little opening. Let's see. This little opening right here, I gotta make it bigger so the tubes can fit through. And then go ham. So if you guys take a look, this pipe like barely fits through that hole. So So we just gotta widen up the sides a little bit, and then enough for the pipe to go through, and then that's it. So I'm gonna get the Dremel right now, start cutting. Alright, now that I have the hole big enough, I should be able to just put this tube right through. Gucci. Gucci, 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 Gucci. So, after a couple minutes, I was trying to like wrestle this. Not really wrestle it, but I was just trying to figure out the, you know, the curves and stuff. So I got this one in. I still got to tighten these and put the filter on, but I'm gonna record this for you guys so you guys can see. So I got a clamp here, you know, wherever I need it. So I'm gonna show you guys. Time for the filters, bro. Time for the filters, bro. So I finally got everything on. Everything's tightened. All the sensors they're back in. I got them. There's a little bracket that it comes with. I put the filters on that, so everything's pretty much Gucci. So all I got left now to do is to put the engine cover, the brand new engine cover, and that's pretty much it. Ooh. Boom, bro. What do you guys think, bro? Comment down below. In the future, not sure when yet, I'm gonna end up changing all the plastics. This plastic, that plastic, and that plastic over there, all to carbon fiber. And to make the engine bay look pretty, Downstar has like this kit where you can change all your bolts. So like all Downstar. So I'm gonna end up copying that too, and then with all that, you know, the engine bay should look pretty. You know, I'm not too much of an engine, you know. So after that, I think that's it. So, but the intakes came out super dope. The cover looks dope. I'm gonna see if the car wants to turn on today, because you know, fucking battery's always dead. I don't think I'm gonna drive the car because there's too much things that are just too many loose ends right now. I still gotta put no back bumper, no plates on. My headlights are all not even bolted on. My bumper. So I don't know, maybe. Let's see in 5 minutes if I change my mind. So as you guys can see, I got no check engine light, which is a good thing. I was kind of iffy. I didn't know if I was gonna get one or not. I kind of hear it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna need you guys to stay tuned for the next video. The next video, I should be putting on the wheels on the car. I'm just waiting on my other two tires, which should get here in 2 days. So you guys gotta stay tuned for that video. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel, because I know a lot of you guys ain't subscribed, bro. I can see it. I don't know who it is, but I can see it. Alright, and once you subscribe, turn on that post notification so you get notified when I drop a video. And don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of the new intakes and the engine cover. I'm gonna end it here. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. You guys can forget that. You heard? Bow. Bow. It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building. You guys already know. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.